My name is Lanita, and this is my ClearChoice story. Hi, good morning to you.
I need some information on 1927 Huntington.
Okay, let's go ahead and pull these plans for you.
She's a people person. She'll do anything she can to help anybody.
I'm just gonna put a stamp on here. This makes it official.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, Lanita is just the best. She really is. She's just always got the biggest smile on her face no matter what's going on.
The job that I have requires me to be in the forefront and to talk maybe 90% of the time. Take it easy, okay? Enjoy the weather. But I have severe periodontal bone disease. So that was a constant battle, but I had to put on a strong face of work. Here they are, I got them.
When she first started for the city, she didn't have anything. She was homeless. So I told her, just hang on in there.
Wow, being homeless was a really tough road, but I still had to uplift myself in order to uplift the next person. And for my daughters, I wanted them to see, regardless of any situation you're in, you can overcome it. You can achieve the things that you want.
I really look up to my mom. She inspired me to be a better person in life.
Like, she's spontaneous, she's vibrant, her personality is like, wow, but it's just a physical barrier that she's missing.
After my initial visit at ClearChoice, I broke down. For the first time in my life, I actually broke down. She looked at me and she said, "You are beautiful. Don't you worry." That weight had been lifted, and she did that for me.
She called me and said, "Sit down." And I said, "Okay, are you okay? You okay?" She said, "Yeah." She said, "I have somebody that's gonna do the work on my mouth and they're gonna take care of." I just started boo-hooing. I couldn't do nothing but just cry, scream and cry and praise God.
Good. You excited? We're excited. Excited.
I'm so ready. It's like a rocket.
How are you?
Hello, Dr. Nick. You excited about this challenge?
Absolutely.
Okay. To know, hey, once I wake up and I see it, this is everything you work for.
When you get to the end of the day and you see that reveal, it never gets old. It's those little things that you get to see that's the best part of our job.
I love you. It's overwhelming. It's that joy, it's that gratefulness, and it's a miracle all in one. Look at that. You don't look like that no more. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, wow. Oh God, I'm crying tears of joy. Thank you. The greatest joy. It's the greatest joy. It's right there with giving birth.